Today, on Kashmir Day, we, the Nambardars of Pakistan, stand in unwavering solidarity with our Kashmiri brethren, who have been courageously resisting oppression and fighting for their fundamental rights.
We honor the sacrifices of the Kashmiri people and reiterate our unrelenting support for their just cause.
We demand an immediate end to the human rights violations, atrocities, and occupation in Indian-occupied Kashmir.
As Nambardars, we pledge to continue raising our voices for the freedom and self-determination of Kashmir.
We will stand with Kashmir until their struggle is won.
Message from
Nambardar Syed Hussain Javaniya Gardesi,
Nambardar Chowdhury Nazakat Ali Gil.
Nambardar Meher Shafiq Ahmed.
Nambardar Raja Azmar Ali Kayani,
Nambardar Ari Guraya.
Nambardar Raja Sarfaraz Giani,
Nambardar Fazal Ur Rehman, Nambardar Mir Shokat Usman, Nambardar Malik Sarfaraz Ahmad Khan, Nambardar Chnasir Abbas Warich, Nambardar Liaquat Ali Shad Maharan, all members of All Pakistan Nambardar Association and Nambardar Etihad leaders.
Pakistan and Kashmir are inseparable, and we will always stand together for justice, freedom, and humanity.
Long live Pakistan, long live Kashmir.